Okay, I've got it all re-nailed with the same little nails and sunk them in. Before I did that, I needed to adjust it there and at the bottom. But see, I moved this part way over this way, at least 1/4 inch. And down at the bottom, I pushed it that way. Oh, probably 3/16 to 1/4, see? And that's where this door stop should have been in the beginning. See, once it closes, it's flush here going across, and it's still sticking out at the bottom, but that's because once I install the new strike plate, I'm gonna take the strike plate pocket and I'm gonna move it over at least 1/8 of an inch, maybe even a little bit more than that, 3/16 or so, and that is gonna hold that part in further than where it is. See how much more flex I have there? That's because I moved the door stop. And if I push that tight to the door stop where I have it, see how that's a little closer. Granted, it's still going to be sticking out because I don't have my foot on it, but I don't want to push it. I can't push it in any further than that there because it's going to be way too hard to push to latch the door. I'm doing kind of a happy medium, you know. I push it like that, I'll be fine with that, and it'll be fine. Okay. See, even right there, I've got to push on it because this door has twisted and warped a little bit. And it, like I said, it could have been like that to begin with. Maybe they installed these, maybe they had the doors and the door jambs out in the garage in a storage area, and it was freezing cold outside. We're above the snow line here. It can snow here and get maybe 5 below 0 sometimes, and that could have warped the door. And then when they installed it, it wasn't fitting, so the guy thought, oh, hey, we'll fit it the other way. There's 2 ways to skin a cat. And the door stop would have been where it was right now, and they just took it and kind of tapped it over and adjusted the bottom and redid this and then popped some more finish nails in there and called it good. That's what they did. Okay, but now I've got it looking a lot better. Now, am I done with this door? Nope. It's sagging, and I could probably fix this after I got the new door installed, or the painted door, because I'm going to take this door out of here, sand it, paint it out in the garage, and I'm going to take the hinges off and all that, and then I'm going to put new hinges on. So at that point, I could suck this door frame over at that point, but I'm going to do that now, because then the only thing I have to do is mess with shimming this out, and that way I'll make sure that this door doesn't sag anymore, or it starts, I think there's enough clearance to do the painting, and then after I get it painted, it hits there, and I'm like, oh shoot, I should have done this first. Okay, so that's my next step, and if you want to watch that, stick around. Here's something else that's going to help me with my project. No, not the coffee at McDonald's. $1 for a small, medium, or large. Of course, I got the large. And I've got my phone set on, see? Classic rock. Ah. Oh, now I missed it. Classic rock radio. And I usually play that. That's really interesting. They get some of the stories and stuff. And I even brought my charger because I don't want my phone to run out. And so I can listen to music all day long. Of course, that's going to help me with my project.